Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we'll be making Quinoa Capsicum Salad. It's colorful, it's delicious, and most importantly, it's really easy to make. So here are the ingredients that you're going to be needing, and for more detailed ingredients, go into the description box. Feel free to add more quinoa if you feel like half a cup is not enough for you. You need to chop the capsicum into really tiny pieces because it'll just look better. And don't forget to wash and rinse your can of corn and your quinoa to get rid of any particles that might leave a dusty or weird taste behind. So let's get started by preparing a small pot over heat and putting all the quinoa in. I know quinoa can be a pain to deal with, but it tastes good, so you have to pay the price. Add some water to cover up all the quinoa and let it reach a boil. You'll know it's done when it reaches this consistency, or it looks like this. You'll see that they start to open up and look a bit transparent. Now we'll start with half a lemon that we juiced. We'll put some pepper in. We'll add some extra virgin olive oil, or even normal olive oil will do, but extra virgin olive oil tastes much better. And we'll put salt in that as well, and then we'll put it onto the drained quinoa. Mix it really well, and then add all the rest of the ingredients. It's important that you get all 4 colors of capsicum, not because it would vary in taste all that much, but because it would look beautiful when served. Honestly, look at it, don't you agree? The beautiful red, the beautiful yellow, the beautiful green. I'm saying beautiful too much, but anyway. Let's continue. Feel free to personalize the dish to your taste. If you prefer more quinoa, increase the amount to a cup. If you don't have quinoa, you can still make this salad and it would still taste good, trust me. If you want less coriander and parsley than we've added, do that as well. You can do it whichever way you like, honestly, and it would still taste good. Mix it really well before you plate it and present it. We hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please give us a like and subscribe for more. Have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!